What's happening? Dustin here with Dustin's Customs, and getting my daughter's race car ready for tomorrow. She has her race early in the morning, so we're getting things ready. I just built these mounts and did some TIG welding. I am getting a little better at the TIG welding. So in her class, this thing has to be mounted down and below this bar. There's one on both sides, made that bracket. Clean the tires up a little. Definitely, I think it's time for some new tires. This rubber just gets stuck into there. So I've been doing the Houston gut. I haven't really had a bunch of time to get this car apart, but I have made up my mind on what I'm doing, and I'm slowly pushing forward. As you can see, the car does have a tarp on it, but I'm in the process of gutting the interior. This thing is pretty nasty. I'm debating on using door panels or cutting the door skin out and just getting Lexan for the side glass too. This car was a manual car, GT, but it is just, it's nasty. So I'm thinking I'm doing the Houston gut. I'm gonna pull the dash. I'm gonna pull every bit of interior out of this car. Pretty solid car other than that, other than the fire. Of course, we've been over this once before. Someone keyed the dang thing. Oh, there's part of the glass I gotta clean up. So I think I'm gonna be cutting the car right here, removing all that forward, tubular front. I won a contest and I got the UPR launch control anti-roll bar, whatever, tubular uppers and lowers. The Pro Series is what I got. The car in there, I got the Pro BMR stuff on it, but a UPR K member. This car might get the strange shocks and the UPR K member, and fully got the car Lexan glass, I think is the route we may be going. I might keep it where I can roll those windows up and down, I'm not sure. So it's a GT 88, we're gonna put some stuff in that. The Cobra is on the back burner. I just have way too many projects. I mean, just project after. I gotta stop taking on projects, I really do. I just got way too much stuff. So way too much stuff going on. I'll show you what's going on with this GT. I was just moving that out of the way. Everything's crowded. I gotta go through my shop, is just blown apart. So this right here, I was trying to put this right here. I cut, let me get some light. So I cut this tube right here. Oh no, I ain't got no light. So I could fit all that in there, but I just need a battery relocation and figure out the cooling. I bought some of these ICT billet things right here to adapt the cooling. Just gotta get time. Yeah, but right now this is my main priority. But I will be doing the Houston gut on the Mustang. I'm probably gonna work on it here in a minute and get some more stuff pulled out of that car. So I'm gonna get started on that. Thank God for LMR. I'll never get this thing apart. All right, I'm gonna disconnect all this stuff. I'll be right back. Man, I really need to get all the glass out of this thing. If you ever buy a car with a broken window, clean the glass out before you try to strip the car, because I'm bleeding all over the place. This sucks. But I almost got it. Just gotta get over there where it passes through, and I think we'll have the dash out. But you see what I mean, the windshield. I need to take care of this, but I want to get all this interior out because I keep crawling around in the glass. Alright, so I got most of it out. I'm trying to keep everything intact for this car to rebuild it one day. You know, money is time, time is money, and I ain't got neither. But I think I'm a coyote swap that one day. tell you, I am definitely enjoying our new F-150 with the 5-liter Gen 4 Coyote, 400 horsepower, 410 foot-pounds of torque. That thing is a freaking beast. But back to this wiring. What a mess. I'm gonna get this unplugged and drag this sucker out of there. Look at all that room. Finally got that sucker out of there. And now I just gotta take out the air conditioning stuff, this glass, this carpet, and this seat, headliner, pretty much a lot of other stuff. But here's the dash. Kind of bent that, broke that a little. I do have another dash in the other car, but the gauge, and I know it's not a Cobra gauge, and that's a Cobra, but what am I gonna do? But I can use a lot of this stuff to see where it's burnt. Still debating on cutting these doors out. I'm not sure. Not sure, but it's getting there. Oh man, this thing, it's gonna be worth it in the end, but it sure is a lot of work. The seat belts, if you're wondering, is a T50. If anybody's ever had to take those off, so the bottom's a T50. Let's see what the top is. Top is a T50 too. This car is getting the full gut, so I'm trying to save most of the panels as I can. I don't think I've ever, have I took this? I got that Phillips right there. I'm gonna take that plug out and just see if there's something there. My 01 GT doesn't have that plug right there. I've never seen that plug there. Or maybe I didn't notice, but I don't think it's there. Gotta take this out to get the headliner out anyways. Jesus, I have no idea. Another one down there. There's that. So I'm gonna get this out. A couple tabs right here. Oops, I broke it. Oh well. I'm kind of stoked to get the Mach 460 system out of this car. Put it in my other GT one day. Damn seatbelts. Alright, so got another T50 up here in the corner. And then another T50 down here for this. There's the seat belts for that one. Ugh, nasty. Oh, there's one here on the bottom. Dang, these seat belts are in there. Here's that. Here's the driver's side. I'm trying to get to where I can at least get this carpet out today. Then I'm probably going to call it quits. What's this? Another seat belt. We're getting all the weight out of here. This car will have harnesses. Just that in itself, I mean, that's a good pound. Maybe more. Might be more, I don't know. These, I don't know, that's probably 19 millimeter for those. We're about those in a little bit. I'm gonna take my time getting this mock panel out because I want to put it in my other car along with those, the mock door stuff. There's a bunch to this. Alright, other side. So, I'm making some progress with this Houston gut. Got quite a bit out. Once I get this carpet out, I'm gonna be happy. I almost think I should leave the carpet in until I get the glass out. That way I can just roll it up and throw it away. Alright y'all, that was phase 1 of the Houston gut. There's many more episodes of this to come. At least one more. I gotta get the windshield out and then the carpet and vacuum the car, cut the front of the car off. Do the rear suspension with that UPR Pro Series kit that I got, and then we'll move on to doing mock-up for the engine and transmission after that. Still debating on cutting these doors up, not quite sure. What do you think? Should I get Lexan glass or leave the glass and roll up and roll them down? I'm going to take the mock system that's in here and put it in my other GT. This glass, it just, you gotta wear safety glass because when you pull on it, cracks and it flings glass everywhere. So what I think I'm gonna try is use a heat gun, get it hot as shit, and then pull on it. You see right here with the fire. The car is definitely gonna need a makeshift paint job, wheels and tires of course. It's still a long way, but it's a good start. Alright y'all, I'm Dustin. This is Dustin's Customs. This is my burnt gonna be drag car. If you want to, I don't know if you're new here, some people are new. We'll go ahead and go inside and kind of show you what's going on. This is a Cobra, 2001 Cobra, needs restored. That is my 2001 GT. I've had it since it had 0 miles, brand new. And here is the engine that is going to be going in the GT. I was going to put it in the Cobra, but now the GT is going to be the race car. The Cobra is going to be a down the road fix. Camshaft, let's see, heads over here, and the wiring harness and computer and all that stuff. So tomorrow's my daughter's race, so I'm getting the heck out of here. I hope y'all have a good weekend. I don't know when I'll post this video. I haven't posted in a while, but anyways, I'm Dustin. This has been Dustin's Customs, and I'm out of here. Bye.